Growing betel leaf plant is not difficult, but you need to be aware of its requirements. This rare, mildly stimulant herb can also be grown in containers, even indoors in the parched sun. It's a perennial herb, which can also be grown in containers and hanging baskets. You can grow it from cuttings and root division. It thrives well in a subtropical and tropical climate, but growing betel leaf plant in a cold climate is also possible with extra care in containers. Growing habit. Plant's primary stem grows up to 1 meter long. After that it forms creeping stems having heart-shaped leaves that contain mild scent and exotic white spike-like flowers. It can be either trained as a climber or grown as a ground cover. Propagation and planting. It's better if you buy a plant from Bonsai Plants Nursery. However, if you want to propagate it from cuttings, take about 18 centimeters long stem. Make 45 degrees cut using a sharp knife just below the leaf node. Remove all leaves from the cutting except the top 2 leaves. Put the cutting in a glass of fresh water and place it on a spot like a windowsill in indirect sunlight. Keep changing the water every 2 days. Once several roots appear, transplant it into a deep container or in the ground. Requirements for growing. It prefers slightly acidic, sandy loamy, and lightly damp soil but not waterlogged. Use the well-drained potting mix to plant it in a way that water will drain out from it quickly. Pick a less windy spot with partial shade for planting. Choose a medium-sized deep planter if you are growing it in the container. Fertilizer. This refreshing herb is not a heavy feeder, but fertilizing once every 4 to 6 weeks with a balanced liquid fertilizer like 10-10-10 or 20-20-20 will keep it growing. If you are into organic gardening, it's best to side dress the plant 2 to 3 times in a year with well-rotted cow manure, which is easily available everywhere in India. Harvesting. Within 4 to 6 months after planting, it will be ready for harvest. You can pick off the fresh aromatic leaves for various uses. Medicinal uses. Betel leaf is a rare herb except in Asia, though it has many medicinal benefits. The leaves are especially helpful for clearing the bronchial passages, cough, and cold and for the female reproductive system.